Okay, friends, we've had a lot of fun with Soft G. Now let's gallop into something new. Spelling options. G-E-D-G-E. Introducing the skill. 2 spelling options for J, which is the longer spelling. G-E-D-G-E. The answer is D-G-E. Which spelling should you use? Use G-E after a consonant or a long vowel. Plunge, cage. Use the long spelling D-G-E right after a short vowel at the end of a one-syllable word. Bridge, ledge. Practicing the skill. G-E. Page, hinge. D-G-E. Badge, ridge. Words to read. Wedge, judge, huge, hinge. Sentences to read. The bag has a gold fringe. Stand on the stage. The cat will not budge. Stay in the lodge. Words to know. Mr. Good again 4. Nay! Great job mastering the basics. Now let's take it up a notch with a decodable passage and watch those skills shine. Ready to gallop in? Let's go! Nay! Fudge from Madge. Madge went to the fudge shop. I must get a gift for Fred, she said. So Mr. Bridge put a wedge of fudge in a box. Thanks, said Madge. Then she left the shop. The fudge smelled good, so Madge lifted the lid. She had a small bite of the fudge from the edge. Madge said. Then she lifted the lid again and again. When Madge gave Fred the box, it was empty! And she had a smudge of fudge on her lip. Nay! All done! Awesome work! You should be super proud. Here's your very own medal, especially just for you. You've earned it. If you're feeling unsure, no worries. Rewatch this video to catch anything you missed. Bye-bye. Oh, wait, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.